We are back at the Cove Falls Trail. It is like -2 with the wind right now. And it got really cold overnight, and it's been really cold the past few days. So we're hoping today we will actually see it frozen. Just saw Looking Glass Falls, which we drove by and checked out, and the icicles were beautiful, and there was ice all over the rocks, and where the mist had frozen, it was really, really neat. So we're gonna walk this 3/4 miles back to Cove and check it out. What did you see?
In the ice there, it looks like little water snakes that are trying to...
That's how it's running under the ice. It's a lot of ice.
Oh, Mommy, there's a stalactite right here.
I'll look at it. So that was super cool. One thing I wasn't able to catch on camera was the ice falling from the top. It would just sporadically, like a big chunk would break off and fall down. We stayed far away, so it wasn't like a threat for us or anything, but pretty crazy to hear that crash of ice on ice. But we are quite chilly and heading back to the car. How did it form that shape?
Right here. See? The water's rushing around the bottom.
Under the log. Cool find, Gideon. Hey girls, tell us a little bit about either Looking Glass or Cove.
Well, there's a huge pile of it, looks like snow under Cove because of all the mist, I guess.
Probably.
Huge ice chunks kept falling.
Which was a little scary, huh? What do you think, Mammy?
When we were doing Looking Glass,
yeah,
like looking at the waterfall, I thought it was cool, like when they had like the basically black ice on the rocks.
Yes. That was cool,
was
that thin layer. All right, almost back to the car. Back at the car. More cars than I would have guessed today with how cold it is. Beautiful, beautiful day. Glad we didn't stay inside.